A tree that is considered a majestic lumber tree of Southeast Asia. What a fantastic tree it is! Introducing Hagakhak, Dipterocarpus validus, the family Dipterocarpaceae. The English equivalent of the term validus is substantial to the stop-looking tree. This species can be distinguished from other relatives by having the broadest leaves. In addition, its petiole and apical buds are covered with long trichomes. As a general construction timber, its wood is used for carpentry work, including paneling, joinery, floors, house frames, veneers, posts, beams, and rafters. This wood is also used for railroad construction and telegraph and telephone poles. The oleoresin obtained from its trunk can also be used for cooking boats and lighting. Hagakhak is a keystone species. It provides essential resources for various fauna, including birds, insects, and mammals. Its dense foliage offers shade and cover, creating microhabitats for many forest creatures. Moreover, the tree is vital in stabilizing the soil, preventing erosion, and maintaining forest health. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.